Hey guys, in this course, I'll teach you Sitejet. It's a website builder that also has AI built in. It's built for agencies, for web design studios. So if you're ready to learn, let's get started. Okay, so my internet is acting up right now, but once you logged in to Sitejet, you'll actually find the link in the description and the first pinned comment out on this video. So basically, their pricing right now is they have pricing for studio for agencies and for a single site or your website builder. So it starts with $11 and actually 13 for monthly and then annual at 11. So it includes one published site, their AI website builder, and so on. So let's get started designing a website. So in their dashboard, you can actually see a lot of things. So first is your dashboard, wherein you can view all of your to-dos, which is basically built for agencies, for teams. So you can see all of those websites at the bottom portion. I've launched already a couple of them, including my main site. So you can have your clients basically contract you on building their websites, or you can just build your own. So basically, they have like this Kanban board wherein you put your different websites on stages. So it starts with preparation, then creation, audit. These are actually the pre-built Kanban board inside Sitejet. So let's take a quick look at the one of my websites in here. So it's loading right now. My internet is just a bit slow today, but they have a lot of existing templates which you can actually use already. They have a lot like this single landing pages, yeah, pages per industry or niche. They have a blog, a business, also have coming soon pages, for education, health, IT, portfolio, travel, and so on. So they also have wireframes if you like that. So this one is already loaded. Uh, I made this using an existing template and then I customized it. So the text in here, the way you build a site can also, let's start from a new website. So let's start with preparation. Say, uh, it's okay. Okay, so let's see. They will use their website builder. Oops. Sorry. Nope. So if you try to choose a website in here, template, close that for a bit. We can change the template, confirm. Okay. Hold on. Let me just quickly, I think I clicked the wrong site. Okay, so Word website. Okay. Okay, so it's removed right now. So let's see. Creations by J. You have your AI website builders. It's loading right now. Let me quickly. Okay, so industry, see, it's, cafe, can use cafe, childcare, see, content creation. Oops. Yeah, the internet is acting up at this time. So it can be multiple pages, it can be one page. Let's say one page for now. English. This error keeps popping up. Let's say for this particular client, for example, is making this up. So can actually try this, improve with AI. Okay, so basically that's their improvements. I think it's good enough. You can generate. So it's preparing the site right now. I'll pause this quickly for a bit. Okay, so basically the site is already created. You can quickly customize your website. This one is text right now, but you can always upload your logo from here. The headlines, they give you different options. Say option 3. Let's quickly take a look. So basically this is their design system. Quickly loads once you, okay, that looks actually better. So it already has different sections. And basically, this is a one-page website that's ready for you to publish already. The way you edit it is making use of blocks. So let's just quickly use next. You can actually customize it further. Headlines. Okay, looks good. Fair display. Always restart it. Homepage sections. You have the home, the about. There's add counters. Actually, you can use their different layouts if you find it better, as well as their add values. These are the different sections that's usually in the front page. You can have your theming there. You can just check this. The menu, testimonials, you can add galleries, partners, FAQs, rules. And for real estate, they can have listings also, a blog, modules. So if you add a blog in here, it would be right over there, right after sections. See, that's quickly right there. Jobs, opening hours. You can have a contact us also as well. Let's have that also in there. The footer is basically right there. So then you can easily edit your website after that. Let me just quickly pause this for a bit. So this is the website already that's editable. So you can add different sections in here. If you So the way you edit it is you just double click on the element, then just welcome to. If you're not happy with the style, you can always edit the text colors, design colors. This should be the main colors. The font should be white. Just quickly check. Text on background. Background is there. Color should be white in here. Does not look as good. So probably change that to font. Hi. Yep. Okay, it's done. Oh. Let's see. Background. Animate. Image. Oh, it actually removed the background. Let's quickly. So you can actually use some stock photos in here. For some reason, there's no uploaded photos. Let's just quickly do this. Business. So while that's loading, basically it will. Maybe this one. Just download that quickly. Okay, so that's it. Sir. Okay. Oh, hold on. Again, if you're trying to mess up, actually, the internet is quite slow right now. To edit headline, change background. So basically, I changed the background for some reason. So I just change it back. There you go. So again, your undo is your best friend. If you need some changes, you can always click on save, and then you can always like do backups also as well, so that you can restore it if you made a mess of your site. So they have this AI writer in here. So you'll have to choose an element. Let's see, for example, this one can generate the text. It's already generated here, right here, by AI. So you'll see all your different pages. They have pre-built pages like privacy notices, legal notices, etc. And also you'll be able to add AI sections right now. You can have your favorites, headline, container. They have these different elements, like you can add custom HTML. If you have an embed code, let's say in video, you can embed it here. So let's say you add this right over here. Then add your video, for example, on YouTube. Okay, so again, the internet is quite slow at this time. YouTube. Let me pause for a bit. Okay, so I copied the embed code from Google. There, so basically that's that. You can customize or edit the embed code in here. But for now, let's just quickly get that out of it. And then you can always publish it once you're done. But you need to connect your domain. There, so basically you need to use your DNS manager to point your A record to theirs of the main site of this root domain, and you can also actually provide email services with the site hub. They automatically generate you with an SSL certificate. So yeah, probably pause that for a bit and quickly show you their e-commerce. So basically, if you are trying to create your shop and set up e-commerce here, you will create an ECWID account wherein they're integrated with Sitejet. So again, I'll leave the description to Sitejet in the comments and in the description of this video. So basically, if you have a website, the first thing that you need to also set up is your search engine optimization, how it would appear in Google. You should be able to set up your Google Analytics as well. If you have Google Maps API, also use that. And you can always use their AI features to actually generate your descriptions. So the data, this would be populated in your SEO languages. You can have your website be enabled for different languages as well. You can add your logo or fab icon, which basically does here, and the open graph image so it displays correctly on socials. So you should also set up that as well. Then the way you manage your blogs is you need to go to your collections, and then since we have here the blog sections, collection item. So it's very different if you're using WordPress. Very different from that. So you need to like edit the content manager in here. Hold on. Edit the content. So let's edit here in collections manager. I'm not sure why there's real estate in for some reason, but I guess you can always delete them. So you'll manage all of this in the content management system. This is how it would look like. And always, again, you can always edit it using their AI writer, the different sections of the blog. And basically, I think I've pretty much covered everything. Blogs, and if you do have any questions, just comment uh, in the comment section this video. And oh, last part would be import content from another website. So if you have an existing one, you can quickly import it right from Sitejet. Okay, so again, you should be able to quickly whip up your website using Sitejet, either through the templates or through their AI website builder, just like what I did for this tutorial. So if you, oh, before I forgot, basically if you're using Sitejet for your website agency, you can actually uh, edit your customer data in here. So you can put a price, can keep track of your contract pricing in here, track your revenue. Let me just quickly just put this right over here. So customer data, they can have their own login. They can edit their own site as well. So you can then have their own login as well. So also you can also have your team members on Sitejet, users there, and also you can set up your email, your IMAP, SMTP as well. So this would be more advanced settings in Sitejet. We can do some automations on the workflows for preparation for approval. So basically, you can add also webhooks to external apps. You can migrate email as well. And basically, that's it for our quick tutorial on Sitejet. I hope you liked this video and see you in the next course.